Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to create sidebars on a particular page of a WordPress website. This video will be useful for those who have just started building websites using WordPress with its free plan. WordPress with its free plan offers us some free themes to use. Some of them support creation of sidebars. We will use those themes to accomplish our task. So let's get started. Let's take an example of how a sidebar may look like. This is the website I have developed using WordPress. This website contains 4 pages: home page, Python tutorial page, about page and contact page. Home page doesn't contain any sidebar. As you may see, this page doesn't contain any sidebar. Next page is Python tutorial page. On this page we can see a sidebar. I have created this sidebar on this page. This is how it looks like. Next page is about page. We can see there is no sidebar on this page. And similarly, on contact page also, we don't have any sidebars. So now let's search for WordPress themes. I have already opened my account. First go to WordPress admin, then appearance and then themes. It will show many themes. We have to select for free themes. Now further search for the themes which support the creation of sidebar. There are many themes. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. Since I have used this particular theme for my website to create sidebar, I'll use the same to illustrate the creation of sidebar in this video. In order to activate a particular theme for your website, you have to click on activate. This will activate this particular theme for your website. After activation of the theme, you have to go to customize. Now you can see the pages you have created on your website with this particular theme. We have home page, we have blog and about and contact page. Now we can check the widgets supported by this theme. So now here we can see sidebar is showing. In order to add a widget, we need to first create a navigation menu. So click on menu and then go to navigation menu. You can click on create new menu to create a fresh menu. You can give any name of your interest or your purpose. Click on next and then save changes. Now you can add items to this particular menu. So now we need to add these two posts to this menu. We will click on posts and then we will click on Python variables and Python introduction. And then again we will click on save changes to make our changes saved. Now we will go to widgets, click on sidebar, click on add a widget, then go to navigation menu, give a name to your menu, Python tutorial, select what you want to show in your menu. So we have already created this particular menu. We can select this menu to show in this widget. As you can see, in home page this widget is showing, this sidebar is showing. In blog page you can see it is also showing. Similarly on about page it is showing, and on contact page also it is showing. So it is appearing, this sidebar is appearing on each and every page which we have created on our website. Now in order to limit its visibility, we can use this option visibility. We click on visibility and then click on select. Now we can select page and then we can select the page, the particular page on which this sidebar will be appeared. So now we want to show our sidebar on blog page, so we can select blog page and now you can see home page doesn't show any sidebar. Blog page shows the sidebar which we want to show it. Similarly, about page and contact page also doesn't show any sidebar. So this way we can limit our sidebar on a particular page. Again, in order to make our changes save, click on Save Changes button. Till now we have seen how to add sidebar on a particular page. Now we will move to next problem. We have two blog posts on our blog page. You can see the sidebar is appearing on blog page, but when you click on Python variables blog, it is not appearing here. And the problem is we want to show our sidebar here also. So in order to do that, we have to edit each and every blog post. So first we'll go to our main page, click on posts and then edit your respective post. So now what we have to do, we have to add text to this particular blog post. So suppose we can add text like Python, then variables. We can add categories also based on our requirement and then click on update. For now I am avoiding adding any categories. Now click on update. Now we will do the same operation for our next post. So go back and then click on Python introduction. Now we can add Python, right, and that's it, and click on update. So now after adding text to our posts, we can again go to WordPress admin, appearance, customize, click on widgets, click on sidebar, select navigation menu, click on visibility, click on plus to add more conditions, click on tag, and now add the tag which we have created, Python. Now we can save the changes. Now refresh our website. So this is our blog page. This is our sidebar. Click on Python variables. Now you can see the same sidebar is also appearing for this particular blog post. Now click on Python introduction. So now you can see how can we add a sidebar on a particular page, and if we want to add the same sidebar on each and every post on that page, we can do the same also. So now we have learned how to add a sidebar on a particular page of a website, and if we want to add the same sidebar on each and every post on that page, we can achieve that using tags. We can create tags for each and every posts, and we can assign the tag at the time of widget creation. If you have found this video interesting and useful, please like and share it. If you have any query or suggestion, please comment. Thanks for watching.